Today I wanted to show you how we can solve a problem with drummy render or loose render. Now this is an older wall. We've got water damage behind, and you can hear that there's a large section of render which is actually delaminated or come away from the brick wall behind. Now normally the only way you can fix this is by basically ripping this whole section of render out, re-rendering the whole wall and repainting. I'll show you how you can do some work in repairing this and rescuing it without having to redo all of that work. And this is Shalex's StickIt. It's an injection kit that allows you to repair loose substrates in situ. So I'll just increase the pressure. Now I've spot drilled in a couple of locations on the crack here. So if you've got really loose sections, you need to spot drill first and allow that to dry, and that just stops any render from falling off. So there's a couple of spots that I've actually drilled, but we can drill right through that. The kit actually comes with a 2mm solid carbide drill bit, and that will allow you to drill through pretty much anything. Sorry about the noise and the audio here. We're on a busy road, as you can tell. Okay, so we've got a rubber grommet that allows us to increase the pressure. If we push the needle through the rubber grommet, basically what that allows us to do is, starting at the top, push this into the wall and start injecting. And what that does is it pushes the liquid in behind the wall and basically re-glues this section of render to the wall. Now it's clear drying. What you can do is just give it a bit of a wipe. You can see that the adhesive liquid is still there. It's actually going to bond, and once that's dry, this whole section will be rebonded. All you need to do is repaint rather than having to rip this off the wall and start again. So if you're a painter or a home handyman, this is a great product to have. It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money in repairing this sort of situation, remedial work. Shalex StickIt.